A pretty warm welcome to everyone. In today's class, I have come up with another yet important topic in the field of environment, and that is ecological restoration. So let's see what is there in the presentation. See, restoration is simply a makeover, particularly in terms of repairing or renewing something, that is, giving an old shape or structure to the lost one. A very simple example of restoration is fixing an old house in its original form or simply giving back somebody's lost job or position. So in this way, we can say that ecological restoration is a process of repairing, renewing, reviving, recovery, rehabilitating, recreating the damaged, destroyed, or degraded ecosystems. That is, ecological restoration aims to initiate or accelerate the recovery of an ecosystem that has been disturbed primarily by human interference. Now, the flow diagram in the next slide would make the picture clear that how the humans have created a vicious trap for himself. Now, in this slide, we can clearly see that how humans have interfered with the environment in different levels, or we can say in different forms, like climate change that is associated with global warming, or it is overexploitation in terms of hunting or fishing. Then comes pollution, introduction of invasive species, habitat destruction. And all these are actually resulting in loss of biodiversity, or we can say world's ecosystems, life supporting systems, that is finally resulting in the loss of human lives. So this is actually a vicious trap which has been created by humans for themselves only. Now, human beings, the main initiator of ecological destruction, is indeed lost to the battle in the end itself. Today, it is important to realize the fact that what we will sow, so shall we reap. Instead of being the initiator of destruction, let us be the initiator of restoring what we have damaged or destroyed. National and international efforts are being made to recover the lost ecological equilibrium. But at the individual level too, we can recreate our own living spaces and contribute in keeping our ecosystems clean and green. This is the last slide where I have represented a small area of my terrace with my two kids. This place is really a lovely place where kids can enjoy and even we can enjoy. So let's be like kids, because life is really beautiful with nature around. At last, I would love to say that if you create small corners in your home with air purifying plants, you can really recreate your own small ecosystems. Fine? So, do take care of yourself and of the nature around. Thank you.